Welcome to Learn Transformation, a platform to develop leaders by inspiring and advising all about transformation. If you have not subscribed yet, you are missing out.
If you are probing for a third-party logistics initially, you will desire to have a deep understanding of what is it and how is it beneficial for your business before selecting one to assist with your logistics challenges. Logistics is one of the areas where complexity amplifies as one switches from physical retail to e-commerce. That makes a riveting event for using a third-party logistics. Hey folks, welcome back to Learn Transformation, and if you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. What is third-party logistics? Simply stated, outsourcing logistics services is known as 3PL. If you outsource your logistic requirements to a service provider, that service provider is known as third-party logistics. Third-party logistics offer one or several logistic-related services, which include distribution and transportation management, public warehousing, contract warehousing, and freight consolidation. 3PL can provide a single service or several services that expand over various facets of your supply chain. Together with you, these services provide visibility to all facets of the supply chain. To satisfy the supply chain requirements of companies worldwide, 3PL started to use technologies and combine inventory management, transportation and logistics and order management functions with it. As a result, they can help reduce complete transportation costs, enhance asset utilization and provide better service. Now, what are the most basic functions of 3PL services? These are: first, stock picking from the supply chain; second, conformity with overseas, local or national road transportation law; next, international, national and local goods shipment; pick, pack and dispatch, fulfillment services, and last mile delivery. So these are the most basic function of 3PL services. Now let's see the major 5 services offered by 3PL. First service is transportation. 3PLs can capture carriers, keep track of freight payment and insurance documents. They assist in decreasing your transportation costs while leading efficiencies and developing solutions for complicated supply chain challenges. 3PL providers are often able to provide real-time visibility to your inventory. Second service is warehousing. Although an e-commerce merchants might not have a physical store, but physical goods have to be stored at a particular location. A 3PL business will supervise your warehousing essentials. For this, the 3PL will invest in the necessary technology and space. Third service is global shipping. Shipping globally can be complex and hard on businesses. 3PL can oversee your global shipping logistics like customs and freight forwarding. As an agent of client's business, 3PL also work to obtain all trade compliance requirements and costs are managed. Next service is consolidation services. Generally, e-commerce suppliers transfer various small goods to the similar exact location. But if all goods are combined into one shipment, the shipping charges are notably decreased. A service provider that transfers many packages as one larger package is referred to as consolidation service, and it's also known as cargo or freight consolidation. And the last one is information technology. 3PL generally utilizes information technology to manage e-commerce, transportation and warehouse operations. Tools like application programming interface, electronic data interchange and cloud-based system are the most famous tools trusted by 3PLs. It doesn't matter which tool is being used, but the aim is to offer amplified visibility to supply chain processes. Let's have a quick look on benefits of 3PL. Cost reduction, scale up or down, better customer experience, test new markets, mitigate risk, and expertise and knowledge. So the conclusion is, third-party logistic providers can offer expertise, assist streamline supply chain, and save time and money. Trustful 3PL experts can truly be important in the way your business functions and permits you to focus on amplifying your complete value to the customers. The success of your e-commerce business greatly rely on how quickly your customers receive the shipment. Today you could order anything online rather than at a physical store, but that product would have to physically reach you. So issues of warehousing, packing, inventory and tracking would still have to be overseen. Which questions you would ask to your potential 3PL providers? We value your inputs in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you and your thumbs up. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding our new videos on Lean, Digital, Six Sigma, Supply Chain and Leadership. You can also catch us on other social media handles. Happy learning!